Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add subtitles in CapCut. It's really simple and easy. First of all, just open up the CapCut and then import any video you want to add subtitles on. So you can always tap on this add audio here and then you can add any sounds, brand music, copyright, sound effects, whatever you want. And now to add subtitles, you have to tap on this text and now you can see these options here. You can see this auto caption, add text, triggers, text template and auto lyrics. Or you can tap on this auto caption aka subtitles. Now it will analyze there is any word to subtitle and then it will automatically add the captions. If you scroll down, you can see these captions and then tap on where it says a play button. So that's how it's going to use the captions. You can always change the template or the text style whatever you want. As you can see, these are the captions we have just added. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can add subtitles in video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.